Surviving in the wilderness demands preparation, skill, and a positive mindset. In this video, we'll cover the essential skills you'll need to stay safe and thrive when nature tests your limits. One of your top priorities is finding or creating shelter. Start by evaluating your environment. Are there natural shelters like caves or rock overhangs? If not, use branches, leaves, and debris to construct a shelter that provides insulation and protection from wind and rain. Remember to place your shelter away from hazards like falling branches or flooding. Water is more critical than food for short-term survival. Always locate a water source first. Learn to identify water sources in your surroundings, like streams, rivers, or dew-on plants. Carry a lightweight water filter or purification tablets to ensure any water you drink is safe. For food, familiarize yourself with local edible plants, berries, and insects. Trapping small animals or fishing can provide essential protein. Always test any new food in small amounts to check for adverse reactions. When you're in a survival situation, signaling for help is a priority. Create 3 fires in a triangle, the universal distress signal, or use a signal mirror to reflect sunlight toward potential rescuers. Smoke is a visible signal that can be seen from a distance, so consider adding green leaves or moss to a fire to create thick smoke. If you have a whistle, use 3 short bursts, another standard distress signal. Flashlights can also be effective, especially at night. Knowing your location and how to navigate can keep you safe. If you have a compass, use it to orient yourself, but also learn natural navigation skills. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, while stars can also provide directional guidance. Mark your path with natural markers, and avoid traveling at night unless absolutely necessary to reduce the risk of injury. Hypothermia is a significant risk in many survival scenarios. Keep yourself warm and dry by layering your clothing. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, followed by an insulating layer like fleece or wool, and finish with a waterproof outer layer. Learn different fire starting methods, like using a fire starter or friction-based methods like bow drills. Collect enough dry tinder and kindling to start a fire, even in wet conditions. Always have a plan to keep dry and warm. First aid knowledge can mean the difference between life and death. Understand how to handle common injuries such as cuts, sprains, fractures, and burns. For cuts, clean the wound with clean water and apply a bandage. For sprains or fractures, use a splint and avoid moving too much. Learn how to recognize and treat hypothermia and heat stroke. Always carry a compact first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers. Practice basic first aid techniques regularly. A well-prepared survival kit can be a lifesaver. Your kit should include essentials like a knife, fire starter, water purification method, compass, signaling devices, a basic first aid kit, and a Mylar blanket. Regularly check and update your kit based on your environment and trip duration. Finally, your mindset plays a critical role in survival. Maintaining a positive attitude helps keep fear and panic in check. Use mental strategies like goal setting and positive visualization to stay focused. Remember, even small victories like finding water or starting a fire can boost your morale. With these essential skills, you're better equipped to handle the challenges of wilderness survival. Prepare thoroughly, stay informed, and practice these techniques regularly. The wilderness can be unforgiving, but with the right skills and mindset, you can survive and even thrive.